We're here at the campground at Furnace Creek, and it's Memorial Day on 2011, and this is where we're going to pitch our tent. Okay, and we're digging into Doyle's new camping equipment, and this ought to be a real blast. Hey, we're in Death Valley here in Furnace Creek, and Doyle just set up the tent here, and it's this nice, spacious, roomy sucker. Take a look inside here, you'll see we got plenty of room to hang out, and I guess we're going to fix some food. One of the little luxuries you need out here in Death Valley is a portable shower, which also comes in handy for doing your dishes. Check this out.